kitchen! Hi, welcome to Viggo's kitchen. Today we're going to be making homemade caramel sauce. And here I'm going to introduce the tools and ingredients. First, we're going to need a spatula, a whisk, a medium-sized pot, 4 tablespoons of butter, a cup of brown sugar, 1/2 a cup of half and half cream, and vanilla, a tablespoon of vanilla extract. And now it's time to put in the ingredients in the pot. We're going to use the spatula and put in the butter, one at a time. I made this butter myself homemade from one of my videos. You can check it out. It's about how to make butter. Next is the brown sugar. I also made this myself on one of my videos. It's homemade also. And I made one of my videos on how to make brown sugar. You can check it out once. And now I'm going to dump it in. Wow, that's a really big lump. And now to put the cream in. And now to put the vanilla extract in. It may look kind of funny at the start, but when it's done, it will look amazing. Now come follow me to the stove. Ask an adult for help when you're using the stove, and ask them to put it on low. It's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes for everything to melt and thicken. See you in about 5 to 10 minutes. See you then. Look, it's already starting to melt. And when it's really melted, I start to use the whisk. Let's take a peek. Doesn't look good so far. Mine took about 12 minutes. If yours did not take about 12 minutes to thicken, ask an adult to turn it up a little. Looks pretty much done. Let's take it off the heat now and we'll leave it there for a few minutes. And now we're just gonna let it thicken. See you in a few minutes. I left it for 10 minutes. Look how thick it is. And now I'm going to pour it into the pot gently so it doesn't spill. You can ask your parents to help you if you're nervous that you're going to spill it all over the floor. It's hard to get all of it in, as you can see. Should be good. Let's just let it go. Doesn't it look great? It's so thick. Even getting heavy. And now the caramel sauce is done. I'm so excited to taste it. It's so exciting. There's so much stuff you can use it for. You can use it for ice cream, you can use it for cakes, all types of desserts, and especially apples. Now it's time for the taste test. As soon as I pour this in the bowl. to do the taste test. Dun, dun, dun. It's so good. I love it. It is amazing. I'm gonna try it one more time. So good, we must try it again. Gotta save some of the sauce for the rest. It is amazing. I love it. If you like this video, please subscribe and please press the like button. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.